check out the film now. Like, subscribe, enjoy it, right?
Why wonder Popeye go so miserable, man? Yo, Popeye, forward there.
Why, man?
There, why free now? Why you come from up here so miserable, man?
Why? I don't know. I'm telling my friend. You know, some man pissed me off, though. 3 months. No sex. Nothing. Not to want to go chops. I mean, I want to go out there go cheat. That makes it worse.
Why? Why rough your fault, boy? I have to give him some Spanish fly, my boy.
You know, so come to think of it. Me they penetrate on the Spanish fly, boy. That's a good idea. But wait. Come to think of it, though. Me go use it. Me not go do it in time to stop. Because, you know, that's something will make me hard and bad. So, I want it naturally.
Boy, Papa, I'm telling you, man. You have to go back some blend up, man, and put the Spanish fly in there, man, and make him drink him, and make him in emotion, man. Because I know the thing we work, man. Because I know the woman, they want it hard, you know. That's why it makes you feel up, you know. You have to give her hard, man. You see me? You have to give her hard. You see it? You have to do the thing official, you see me?
You know, say right. Me I go home right now, go give it a try. Since I just say hard. Big up yourself. Alright. Well, roots up here now, you know. Oh, alright. Wow, man. See him for that. Alright.
So, Papa, why would they see a miserable? To you?
God no. I tell you the truth, Slim. I don't know where to start. Trust me. I would wish if I could help you right now. I don't know where to start.
And I'm here help. I can't bother with the miserable vibes, man. Don't miserable yourself when you're around me. Sure. But for real, you can start from the beginning and tell me how I go on.
Tell you the truth right now, Slim. I just some pum pum want to you know. The one that they in my yard right now. No matter how I try to touch him, my box off me and he not give me nothing right now. Blow balls me out to have you know. The man not give me nothing. Me I want to be a man.
Really?
Why?
Really?
Enough.
That make you dare some miserable yourself? So really, what really happened up a yard with your mama? Make she not give enough.
Right now, you know, Slim. But I say the same thing because you are a woman because every minute me want something from her, me I touch her, she a box me from her hand, we put on clothes from her, she get up. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on the next man. I don't know. Or she change and turn the other way around. So it's something, you know, something.
Yeah, that really a go on? I not give her no money, you know? Or you not provide the service them properly? Cause that not sound right.
Stamina is not the problem as far as I can see. But, enough of she. Enough of she. Me get over she the pan highway, you know. Differently, what about you? I couldn't get some.
No man, Papa. Nothing can go on here, so. You don't know so me have a man already. But for real, I wonder if something specific she want and you not give her.
I can't want me to think you are talking about mama. You can't talk about that right now in my head. I can't that. Explain yourself, please. Let me can understand. Explain what you are trying to say me now. Yeah.
That one, so man. You can't free coach when me tell you that. You know the normal things where man them a do nowadays.
What you just say a while ago? Eh? What you just say? Them the thing they no ramp with. The only thing for go on my plate of food they cook. She have to keep that to herself. If you want me to be friend, don't mention that to me, please. Don't mention it. You like that? Mr. Mutt not so strong. Don't do it again, man. Say something different.
Where you going so far? And normal something them there nowadays. And that's why your woman not sponsor you. Now you are going so far. You hear them a sing song about lick lick. Normal something them there. And not if you try.
Try what? Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Me I come from my yard because you now lead me to straight. You and your lick and what you want to talk about on TV can stay one place because me now go down that road. Right.
Watch him. Go on in your yard, man. And no found out do it behind closed door and I go on like say you not do nothing. Or you probably do it too. Go on, man. Go on in your yard. Right.
Hello, subscribe. Yeah, you guys subscribe? Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Please. If you subscribe, you get a lot of video every day. If you're not subscribed, subscribe now. Leave a like, leave a share. Subscribe, tell me that you share, and I will respect you. I'll give you a thumbs up. Subscribe, I always watch your comment. No problem. Welcome to Jamaica, where the crime rates are high. Subscribe.
And action.
Right now, Slim, your woman, and you should have asked me because if every minute me I touch her, she a box off me hand. It's like she lock shop on me and open shop on another woman. What the f*** me I say?
And action.
Something what? What you trying to tell me? Say something we got blow over this.
Action.
Subscribe, yeah? Comment, like, share. Candy, tell them what you're sitting
Where
here.
you going, sir?
Tell them what you're sitting
You
here.
go on like you know and then go over to Ackeen Lawrence
And they
channel.
and they them there.
Them
Subscribe.
Who did they already? Go and go tell who no did they. Go and subscribe to Ackeen Lawrence channel right now. Who don't know say Ackeen run things. See? Bless up on yourself.
You think I
Please go over to Candy Empress channel and subscribe and Reality JA.
Right away.
Public
You know,
channel.
public with a K.
Yes.
Don't forget that.
Okay.